Hello everybody, I am Krishna Rao Patro. Today, we'll see one more important program, how to convert octal number to decimal. In the previous session, we discussed about how to convert decimal to octal. Now, we are going from octal to decimal. Because in different situations, they may ask different types of questions. So, we must ready for all varieties of answers. See, how to convert octal to decimal. So, given thing is octal form, but our required output is decimal form. As I said, octal number system uses the digits 0 to 7, where decimal uses the digits 0 to 9. Now, for example, they may give a number 12, which is in octal form. Now, what is the corresponding decimal? So, the decimal is 10. So, how to convert into decimal? Now, we'll see. Similarly, if I give 15 in octal form, then what is the corresponding decimal? So, the decimal is 13. So, to convert from octal to decimal, there are some approach. Now, this approach you will see. The approach to implement the conversion mentioned is below. The idea is extract the digits from the given octal number starting from the rightmost digit. That means the octal value is given in the string format. In the string, I will go from right to left. While going from right to left, I will be keep on monitoring the value and extract the digit, multiply with its base, proper base value with power of 8, and then add that value to the decimal value. Keep on traversing by multiplying that value with its proper base. If you multiply, then you will get the corresponding answer. When you reach the end, then the decimal value is your exact result. Now see the process. For example, my octal number is given. How much? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This is at 0th position. This is at first position. This is second position. So now, based on the position, now 3 is my digit. 3 into the base is 8. 8 to the power position. The position is 0. Plus the 2 means this 2 into 8 to power 1. 1 is the position. Plus 1. Okay. This 1 into 8 to the power the position 2. So that means if you multiply 8 square into 1, that means 64. Similarly, 8 into 2, that is 16. Similarly, 8 to power 0 means 1. 1 into 3, 3. If you add everything, then you will get how much? 83. This 83 is my decimal value. So, if I give 123 as an octal, then I will get 83 as output. 83 as output. Now, how to write a program for this? So, to convert octal to decimal by taking the octal string as the input, there is a small approach. So, how to write in a Java? Now, let us see. First of all, what we will do? Whatever the string you have given, I will find its length. Once you know the length, then I can traverse in the reverse direction. Take the length first. Okay. Then you start processing. Initially, the decimal value is 0. Nothing is there. And the base is 1. 1 is nothing but 8 to the power 0. 8 to the power 0. So now, I will go from right to left. So the length minus 1 is my starting. For example, I told you, previous one 123 I given. Assume 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1 is what? It's a string. Sorry, is a character. 2 is a character. 3 is a character. Now here, what is the length? Length is 3. But the index starts from 0. 0, 1, 2. So here length is 3. So third index nothing is there. So I should come one step back. So for that purpose, I equal to length minus 1. When I write I equal to length minus 1, now this I become 2. So I will be responding to second place. Whatever the character is available at second place, that character value I subtract with 48. Why? Because for character 0, the value is 48. For character 1, the value is 49. For character 2, the value is 50. Like this up to 9. For 9, 57. If you subtract 48 from this ASCII value, then you will get the corresponding digit. So that's why take the character at the ith place, subtract with 48. You will get the corresponding digit. That value is the base. The base is how much? Initially 1. 1 means 8 per 0. So multiply it and add to the decimal. Then go to the second base. Second base means 8 into 8. Sorry, 8 into 1. That is 8. So when I go to 8, now the second correct 2. 2, it means 50. 50 minus 48, that is 2. So 2 into the base, 2 into 8. Then again, add it. Base, how much? 8 into 8, 64. 64 into this 3. Sorry, you are coming in the reverse direction because this is initial 2, then 1, then 1. Earlier it was 3 because earlier you started from 2. Second position having 3, no. 3 into 8 per 0 plus 2 into 8 per 1 plus 1 into 8 per 2. Because every time the base is multiplying. If you add everything, that is 3 plus 16 plus 64. 64 plus 16, that is 80 plus 3, 83. Base of 10. This 83. So this is the way it works. So this is the logic you write. And finally, whatever the value has come, that value I am returning. That value you have to print it. Now let us see how to write a program for this class. Now we are giving octal string. Octal to decimal. Octal to decimal. This is the class. And here also I will read the input. The input I will read through input java.util.star. Static void, or I will return the value static int octal to decimal conversion. This method I will pass the string octal string OCT string I am passing as a parameter. Whatever the value you are passing, that value you have to convert into integer. So let me define int the decimal value. Initially the decimal value is 0. And I will define one base. As we are converting to octal, so base is nothing but 8 per 0. 8 per 0 is 1 initially, the first base. Then I will be traversing from right to left. So to find the right position, I will find the length. Int length equal to the name of the variable is octal string. Octal string dot length. This gives you the length of the string. That means how many digits are there. Now I will come from right to left. I'll put a loop. Int I equal to, as the length is 3, but our index are from 0, 0, 1, 2. Totally 3 are there. But I should come to second index. So that's your length minus 1. I am going one step back. Then I greater than equal to 0 and I minus. Fine. Now what happened? I got my position. In that position, what character is there? So my name of the string is octal string. Then I will come to the character octal string dot, there is method of char at. This method will give you which character available at ith place. Whatever character is there, that value generally comes in terms of internally ASCII value. That value I will subtract with 48. If you subtract 48, then you will get the corresponding digit. If it is 1, 1 means 49. 49 minus 48 means 1. So the digital character 1, if I subtract 48, then I will get the digit 1. This value, if you subtract and then multiply with base, base is how much? 8 per 0. 8 per 0 is 1. This value I will add with my answer. My answer is decimal value. Whatever value is there, that value I will do cumulative addition. Then base has to increase. Base equal to base into 8. So keep on multiplying. How long? Until I reach 0th position. Once the 0th position is over, then my result is ready. So now, as you are returning the value, return type is int. So I will return return the decimal value. Yeah. Now this value I will return to my main method. So I will go to main method. Public static void main string argument array. Now here what I am doing, I will read the data first. What data I will read? The octal string. So I will define scanner class scanner sc equal to new scanner within bracket system dot in. Then here I will have the user system dot out dot println system dot out dot println enter octal string. Enter the octal string. When this message comes, you have to enter. Now I will define the string octal string. This equal to sc dot next. Okay, I got my octal string. This octal string I will pass as a parameter to my method. What is the name of the method? Octal to decimal conversion method. This method I will call. Can I call directly? Yes, I can call because it's a static method. So I can call directly. And I am passing the parameter octal string. Once I call, then that will return the integer value. Int decimal value for result. This result I will print on the screen. System dot out dot println backslash n the decimal value equal to plus whatever the value returns that I am printing. Okay. Control S. The name of the class is octal to decimal. Control C, Control S, Control V dot Java. Now let us go to the command prompt and execute. Java C octal to decimal dot Java. Yes, compiled successfully. Now Java octal to decimal. Yeah. Now my assume the octal string is 12. Then the decimal is 10. Similarly, assume my octal string is 34. My decimal value is 28. So like this you can do it. For example, my octal is 123. My decimal is 83. Already you have processed, isn't it? So this is the way you have to write the program. Okay. Assume here I'll call this method parsing method. Parsing. Here I'll pass the octal string, OCT string, comma. The base I need 8 as it's a part of the integer class integer dot parseInt integer dot parseInt. Then I'll get new decimal and that value I'll print it. Using built-in. Using built-in, the decimal value, how much? This is new des. This is new des. Let us run this program. Yes, compiled successfully. Java. We are converting octal string to decimal. Decimal give 123. Yeah, in both the case I got 83 only. Are you observing? So that means you can use either your own logic or you can use built-in method also. So if you want to convert octal string to decimal, then you can use the parse-in method. The parse-in method takes the octal string followed by the base. If you pass base 8, you will get the corresponding. That means you are passing the octal string, then it will convert into decimal value. If you pass hexadecimal string with base 16, then you will get corresponding decimal. So you can pass the octal string to the parse-in method, then you will get a corresponding decimal. So this is the way you can write your program. So this is the built-in technique. Only one line. This is your own logic. If this built-in method is not there, then you should write this. So most of the time in exam, they will ask, write your own logic to convert octal string to decimal. So this is the way you have to do in Java. I hope it is clear. Okay. So please practice well and do first go through this video, then stop in the middle, then do. So that you will be strong in the programming. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.